In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your site using both manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com effectively. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to wix.com and log into your account. It's important to ensure you're using your correct login credentials so you can access all your site features seamlessly. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the My Sites list. Here, you need to select the specific site you wish to manage. Having multiple sites, use the filter or search to easily pinpoint the exact one you're interested in. With your site selected, navigate to the Pages and Menu option. This will allow you to explore the structure and flow of your website, making any necessary updates to enhance user engagement. Next, pay attention to your left dashboard menu. There, you'll want to click on Store Products under the e-commerce section. This is a crucial area if you're managing an online store, as it's where you'll handle all products and sales related activities. From here, go ahead and click on Product Page. This page lays out all the details your clients will see when they view a product. It's where initial impressions are made. Following that, click on Manage Products. This section allows you to view and edit all current products, giving you full control over what's displayed on your site. Creating something new? Click on New Product. This takes you to a space where you can expand your store offerings. It's here you'll decide on the product type. Choose wisely between physical products like clothes or accessories, digital files such as ebooks or music, and services for anything related to bookings or appointments. Make sure to add the basic product details thoroughly. Start with the product name. A clear, catchy name can significantly impact sales. Move on to the description. This should highlight key features and benefits to capture the reader's attention. Upload high-quality product images and videos since visuals often speak louder than words. When it comes to pricing and stock, set your price and inventory cautiously. Input the right price and apply discounts if needed, making sure to toggle track inventory to manage your stock levels accurately. Adding SKU codes is also essential for tracking purposes. After setting these details, click on Status. Here you can organize products into collections like new arrivals or best sellers, making it easier for your customers to browse through similar items. Don't forget to click Save to ensure all your added information isn't lost. Before you conclude, click on Preview. This allows you to see how your clients will experience the new product page, giving you a chance to make any final tweaks. Lastly, click on Publish to make everything live. Your changes will now be visible to the public. When satisfied, click Done. You've successfully managed and updated your site using Wix.